In this video, you will learn how to set up a Paychex Flex account. First, visit the Paychex Flex website, go to the Paychex Flex login or sign up page, create an account, click on sign up or get started, then enter your email address and company information, verify your identity, provide any required details such as your employee identification number and business information, set up your company profile, enter your company's legal name, address and contact details. Add any employees, import employees' information, including social security numbers, tax details, pay rates, and names. Choose payroll preferences, set up your pay schedule. This could be monthly, bi-weekly or weekly, and your preferred payment method. Link your bank account, provide your bank account details for payroll processing and tax payments. Review and confirm. Double check all your information you have entered, and submit. Start your setup. Now you know how to set up a Paychex Flex account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.